I'm Dee.
I'm Dory.
We are the Design Dreamers.
Design Dreamers. And we have a message for you today. Be awesome.
Yeah, be totally awesome today. Yes. Yay.
Okay. Thank you for subscribing to us and for viewing us.
Yes, we appreciate that. We love that you like us. That's wonderful. And we are hoping that if you have any suggestions or ideas, please add it in the comments for us, okay?
We like comments.
We do.
Yeah. So what we're going to do today is talk about fabric haul and pattern haul.
Yes. So how about if you start first?
Okay, I'll start with my pattern haul. So this is a pattern I picked up for $1.09.
Thrift store?
Cute thrift store. Mm-hmm. So I thought it was cute, and I'm anxious to make something out of it. And so that's one of my pattern hauls. The other one was even cheaper than $1.09. I got it for free. It's from my sister.
That's because I bought 2 of them.
So just a real quick note about patterns. I keep a note in my telephone that has I have under my calls, and I have them in numerical order, my patterns. But the funny thing is, sometimes the numbers, they have 2 numbers for the same pattern. So if it's in the drawer, it might have 1 number. If it's on the shelf, it's a different number, but it's the exact same pattern. So I have run into the occasions when I've gotten 2 patterns that were the exact same. Sometimes even have a new number for a different pattern.
Well, whatever. But I have no system like she does to keep track of the patterns. So
you
thus,
probably don't have as many patterns as me.
I probably don't, but I still have more than my share. So thus, I rely on memory, and then you get duplicates every
And then you
once in a
give
while.
them to your sister.
But at least you know you're consistent in your style.
Yes.
Anyway.
All right, what do you got to show?
Oh, okay. Well, I have some patterns too.
Okay.
I've got this time more than you.
Woo!
Who
How
would
did
have
that happen?
thought? So, okay, there's my word whiskers. I'm working on that. Sorry. The first one was the make that I showed on the last clip that we did, the last video. And actually, I got these probably maybe 3 weeks ago at a thrift store. And this was $1.09. The McCall's 6926. 6926. And I like this. I'm going to make that again. I really like that pattern.
6926 McCall's.
Then I got this other top is a new look for $1.09. Also brand new. It's not been cut. And the pattern number on this is 0169.
0169.
Very nice. Of course, the price tag's right on the lady's face there. Do I have that right side up? Yep. The line drawings in the back should be a very simple, easy pattern, longer. I plan on making that. I need a lot of tops. So that's the top patterns. There I
help her with
yeah, she needs to help me with that. So this one here is a simplicity, and it's a complete pattern. It's a skirt, a top, and a dress, and a jacket. It's yeah.
4? Is that 4 things?
Yes,
Or
4
5?
things. 4 things. 1,
4.
2, no, 5 things.
5.
And a dress. There's a dress in here
Oh
too.
my goodness. 6.
Yes. So this was also $1.09. This one here, I was kind of questioning whether I should get it or not because I didn't really like the material that they chose. But these are also very simple makes by the line drawings. And this is to be made out of wovens, and I have a lot of wovens. I'm trying to use up some of my fabric stash, so and creating a new wardrobe because I had just retired from my professional work, I guess you could call it that. And so I need a change of wardrobe. I do not want to wear all my work clothes while I'm retiring.
No, we don't want to see you in your work clothes.
So I'm going to try to make that. Dory said it will not make me look too much like an old lady. So
no, if you use the right fabric. Here's the thing. Like she said, she didn't like the pattern because of the material they used. But you have to. This is where you have to do your dreaming. Is try to picture it in a different fabric, and the fabric will make all the difference in the world. Just like in my past video, the one that was I felt like it was the mother of the bride. I by no means mean any offense to mothers of the bride, but it just wasn't what I was going for. And so, if I had different fabric, it would have made a whole different thing. Yeah, different. Yeah.
And then I got this crazy pattern, McCall's MP259. Just a different type of jacket. I don't know if I make anything out of it or not, but it's cute. I liked it. So, and you will see, I like patterns.
Does the P stand for petite by any chance?
Oh, I hope not. MP. I have no idea.
I wonder why it says MP. We'll have to research that.
Yeah, I
Maybe
don't know.
put some comment down or something.
Yeah, find out why it says MP on there.
Yeah. Very good. Nice pattern, huh?
So then,
there's more.
There are three more. While she was gone on her wonderful trip to Australia, I went to Hobby Lobby. They had some patterns for $1.99. So I picked up. I like this pattern for this summer. It's S8833. This pattern, and I have some of this really nice. I think it's like a chalet fabric. Really drapey. I thought that would be wonderful out of that dress.
Oh, so you're going to put the two together?
Yes, I am going to make that. I probably will leave the pockets off the front, though. I don't like it. But I think they have pockets in this. If they have pockets that I can put in the side seams, I will do that. But this will be a beautiful summer dress. And this I got at the thrift store. And it's 4 yards. I paid $5 for it.
Yeah.
So this is going to be
make
a really nice. It's
is
black.
Is it black or blue?
I think it is a black. I think it's a true black with the squares. It kind of reminds me of polka dots. I like polka dots, but I think it'll be a beautiful.
Yeah, black. That works with you.
Yeah, that
likes
tends to be my color.
No.
Okay, quickly we'll go through the other ones. This is a duster, or what do they call them now? Cardigans, toppers, cardigans. A new look 6476.
It's an easy one. It says.
Yes, easy one.
Have to see if that's true.
It should be. The line drawings show that there's not much, fitting or detail. It's loosely fitted, so it should be fine.
That should be quick.
Should be a quick one. And then I bought another summer dress to make, as I need dresses. You'll find as you get a little bit older, your body changes. And yeah. You think you'll be able to keep your wardrobe forever, but for me, that's not been the case. I've had some changes, and some of the clothes that I wore and I absolutely have had for a long time, I can't fit into anymore. So I need to make some new things. Plus, it's nice to have new clothes. Simplicity 8874 should be a nice summer dress. And, whoops, that way. Needs to be that way. Yeah. And this should be a simple to sew too, and this is designed for knits. I actually have
Nice.
a thrifted fabric that I got that I'll show you in another clip that will work great out of that, I'm thinking. We'll see.
Okay, very good.
That's it for my patterns. Yay!